put together a tournament again. You know, this tournament is what everybody looks forward to. Your thoughts about how things have gone?
Alright, so far things have gone extremely well, better than we have actually expected. We have a well-structured committee, a structured team, and also external support, right? We must say thank you to Jamaica Social as well for being a part of this tournament, contributing to its success.
Clearly, this is the event that gets the season going.
Right,
Your thoughts about, you know, you getting things going for the rest of the volleyball season?
Alright, so all you need to do is just to go back to the drawing board, come prepared, be better prepared as well. I'm just going to play some good volleyball, disciplined volleyball, listen to the coaches, and try to keep motivated and support, and we shall do well.